Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nico Arya Tivano from 12 Science 3 number 27. We know that today many youths are acting against rules such as brawling, drinking alcohol, and so on. It is because of the lack of character building for youth that such an event takes place. Through this speech, I will convey the importance of character building. Character is the sum of all attributes and includes all those feelings, words, and actions. Character in children is shaped by their decision and affects every aspect of their lives now and in the future. Parents and teachers are responsible for the child's character creation and play an important role in helping children develop their full potential. Consistent through teaching of ethical behavior is essential to shaping character. Character is the way each individual thinks and behaves to live and work together, whether within the family, community, nation, and country. Individuals of good character are individuals who can make decisions and are prepared to account for each decision that has been made. Character building is one for of the purpose of national education. The goal of national education is to develop learners' potential for greater intelligence, personality, and character. Education not only forms intelligent persons but also has personality or character so that future generation of people will develop with sterling characteristic of nation and religion. There are 10 aspects of moral degradation that sweep through a country that is a sign of the destruction of a nation. The 10 signs are the growing violence of youth, the worsening use of words, the strong peer groups influence in violence, the increasing use of drugs, alcohol, and free sex, the degradation of good morals, the falling of work ethic, the lack of respect for parents and teachers, the importance of individual and citizen responsibility, the importance of dishonesty, and the growing of resentment among others. On that basis, character building became essential. The building of character was the basis for hope of the nation's survival from a deeper abyss of destruction. Character education is cognitive education that involves knowledge, feeling, and action. With systematic and sustainable application of character education, a child will become emotionally intelligent. This emotional intelligence is vital in preparing children for the future. For one will be easier and will be able to meet all kinds of life's challenges, including the challenge of academic success. The basic for this character education should be applied at an early age, or as psychology is commonly referred to as a golden age, since it has proved to be a very important role in the development of children's potential. It is proper to begin character creation within the family, which is the first word for the growth of a child's character. Yet, for some families, the systematic character education process above may be difficult, especially for some parents who are caught up in dense routines. Therefore, character education should also be provided when children enter the school environment. Here is where the teacher's role is at stake because the teacher is the head of the class, which comes face to face with the learner. What effect does character education have on academic success? Research shows that increased motivation for school students in achieving academic achievement in schools that apply character education. Classes deeply involved in character education show a dramatic decline in students' negative behavior that could impact academic success. One book entitled Emotional Intelligence and School Success compiles results from studies on the positive effects of a child's emotional intelligence on success at school. It is said that risk factors vary from school to school. The risk factors mentioned are not in brain intelligence but in character, which is confidence, cooperation, sociability, concentration, empathy, and communication. The importance of character education is in itself a process of character building, which has a positive effect on an individual emotional, spirituality, and personality development. Character education or moral education, therefore, is a major part of establishing a nation's identity. Additionally, family factors also play an important role in influencing children because there is a mutually supportive relationship in the family that forms a positive character in a child. Today, many youths are unaware of ethical issues, resulting in uncontrolled behavior. In a sense, adult sense is a transition from children to adulthood. There are great physically, intellectual, and emotional changes at this time that cause sadness and uncertainty about the conflict. Many young people have not adjusted the environmental and social demands when facing a problem. So many of them are inclined to face problems by doing negative things such as alcohol to consume narcotics. Yet they knew that such action could ruin their own future. But through their lack of education, their character and ethics darken their eyes. From the foregoing, we know that molding in children is important, as it can be seen in adulthood. When a child is taught ethic and character, then in time in child will have both character and character. Furthermore, a good relationship between parent and child will bring positive thought to the child. Parents should pay attention to their children's conduct and practices if they have a problem. Then the parent should provide to the best solution to any problem the child faces. That's enough of my speeches. If there is a mistake, please be forgiven. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.